this is Iris from Magick Laser. Today I will introduce the daily maintenance of our laser welding machine. Check that there is no loose mix of the power wiring. Remember to replace the water inside the water cooler once a month. We recommend you to use the distilled water and purified water. We recommend you to clean the dust inside the machine once a week, especially the electronic control parts. Many customers may ask what does the spare parts of the welding machine. The answer is the protect lens. They are like the battery in toys, and when the welding effect is going worse, that means because the protect lens are damaged, so we need to change it regularly. So when you change the protective lens, you need to make sure we are doing in a clean and dirty environment without any dust. And also remember to use the cotton swab to clean the dust inside the guide tube and the nozzles. More importantly, our laser welding machine is 10 times expensive than the traditional laser welding machine like TIG or MIG. Please remember after using, put it down gently. Don't throw it away.